Today we're looking at a 2023 Puma 32BHQS. This is going to feature 3 slide outs. Starting on the outside here, you have storage underneath your front bed. It's going to be a master walk around bed with a slide out, big storage area there. As we come down to the coach, you got a power LED lights underneath your power awning. Plenty of places to sleep. You got 2 entries, one into your main living room, one into your half bath. If it does feature a bath and a half, it's got your outside kitchen here. So you've got like your black stone, gray stone griddle to be able to cook on, your sink. Coming back to the center of the coach here, you got your solid steps to your main entry. Again, the 32BHQS is the model that we're looking at. So coming into the living room here, it's going to feature the theater seating option with your booth dinette. As we scroll over, this is going to be, you have a residential fridge, your microwave, your stove, your stainless steel undermount sink, your residential faucet. You've got plenty of cabinet storage. You've got your fireplace that gives off heat with the lights, the TV up above, the sound bar down below. Directly across from your theater seating, nice cabinets up above too, give you extra storage. Booth dinette, what's nice about that is I can go down to another place to sleep. More cabinets here. Coming over to our half bath. This model does have a bath and a half, so this will be our half bath, so you can get directly from the outside right into the half bath. You don't have to track through the whole coach. Next, we're going to move to the rear of the coach, which is going to be the bunk room. What's nice about this is it features 4 total bunks. It's got a jackknife sofa that goes down to a bunk, so you've got four bunks back here, which is rare. Usually you've just got 3. It's got an awesome window back here. Up top on the top bunk, so you've got 4 different places to sleep, plenty of room for all the kids, especially bigger families. And we'll come back out here to our living room / kitchen area. Man, look at the fireplace. This just looks overly sharp with the different lights and stuff that you can play with on that. Now we'll come up here. We're going to go into our master bedroom. This does have a washer and dryer closet right there on our left. Full walk around bed, tons of storage up front across all the mirrors and all the cabinet doors up there. It gives you a ton of storage. Here's our washer and dryer closet, so it's prepped for washer and dryer prep, so you can put a stackable washer and dryer in here. Really popular for customers that are staying in them full time. This model is one of our #1 sellers. Coming back out here, and next we're going back towards the living room and kitchen area. We are going to take a look here and go into the full bath. So this has your shower, your sink, your medicine cabinet, your storage down below the sink, and then also you've got your toilet as well in here. Rounded shower gives you plenty of space and everything as well. Just an overall awesome layout here.